In this video, we hear Dallas spiritual reader talking about Jaguar becoming the next nature boy or wannabe the next nature boy in regards to how she's treating TJ. Now, TJ is very subservient to Jaguar, and I think she idolizes Jaguar. This is what I'm getting from this video from Dallas Spiritual Reader. Now, the reader has put TJ on notice to take care of her health because she's doing certain things that will make her health worse if she's not careful. Let's take a listen, but before we do, can you guys, as you step onto my channel, you know the spiel. By now, hit the like bell, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.
Hello. This is your Dallas spiritual reader. Like, share, and subscribe, and feel my vibe. You know, Jaguar writing this TJ BS is another way to let the black woman look down. Do you see what I see? Jag is that pimp using TJ just like she did Goomba to take them steps up that demon ladder. Being a girl, nature boy. Do you see what I see? TJ, a woman with a large vocabulary. And Jag also. You know, people that's mentally ill are not all retardation or special in the form of education. But when you think about it, it's a waste. TJ was broke on that government check. You see, it's easy to take care of family when your lover and you can ride on Section 8. Then you think you're doing something because you can pay those cheap bills. But see, that's not all TJ has done.
Hit the like, guys, as you're coming onto the channel. Hit the like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. Let's get back to the video.
Like Jag say, nigga, tell the truth. TJ has been supporting herself, not just off disability. I want you to tell the truth, TJ, before I do. You're not so innocent. Yes, you're just like Jag in Tokyo. You give your money out and you have a weakness and empathy for the poor, of the person in need, so you can gain power that you're stronger than what you are. You see, Jag already know this is temporary. That's why she can't answer the questions or you her commitment. Because see, at the end of the day, Jag still loves Goomba. After this court shit is over, it's gonna be bye, 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 bye. TJ. Yes, be gone at night.
A lot of us have been saying the same thing, that Jaguar still loves Goomba.
You see, because Jag has a biblical issue with being a homosexual. Yeah, she plays the role because she's a freakazoid, a trisexual. You give her orgasm, she can't. Do you feel my vibe? TJ wanna be looked at as intelligent. But if you were intelligent, that C wouldn't have been on you. That cancer. You know, I have found out that a lot of people end up with cancer. Know why they have cancer. We just don't know. The disrespect is so real out here. The broken loyalty is real out here. The distance from the children is real out here. Tell your truth, TJ, before it be told wrong. Nobody can tell your story but you.
Isn't that what TJ always says? Nobody can tell her story but her. That is food for thought. This is beginning to sound just like TJ to me. What about you guys? Drop your comments in the comment section. Let's get back to the video.
Wrong. Nobody can tell your story but you. Even though you're gonna doctor it up as if you were this fantastic lesbian woman, this stud mandingo. But truly, you don't want another woman to touch you because you were violated. Your shit was taken. You know what I'm talking about. I don't want to talk too much because allegedly you're weak and broken and confused right now. You see, at the end of the day, Jag already know the game is on. She just needs you to stay close until she finishes this case. Get her tussy leg with all the stipulations and messiness that she have said about Goomba. Allegedly, he has herpes. And a woman that says she done prostituted, allegedly. TJ, really? How nasty are you? And your father's car is gone because you didn't take the responsibility to get the name tag changed? And the paperwork done, the sticker on the car? That mean you were walking before you left Nash.
Jaguar has always said that Goomba has herpes. Why would TJ now go and sleep with Jaguar knowing this? Because she has seen all the videos, well, not all of them, but most of them, and I'm sure the ones that she missed while she was at work, Naisha probably would filled her in because they used to watch Jaguar. So they said. They knew about Jaguar and her videos. They used to be on, at least TJ admitted that she was on the Kingpin show when she found out that Jaguar needed bail money or to be bailed out. So she knew all this. Why did she go sleep with Jaguar, knowing that Jaguar put out this information about her own husband having herpes? Herpes is a funny kind of illness. You don't know when the bumps are coming on. You don't know when the illness is going to kick in. It kicks in when your immune system is low, when you may be not sleeping well and you're not regulated in your body and your immune system is low and herpes begin to show its ugly head. You don't know when it's going to come, but when it do come in your genitals, you don't know and your partner don't know. So when it shows its ugly head and you're intimate with your partner and you don't know and they don't know, it's a disease that's easily passed on because it's very contagious. So if Goomba have herpes, allegedly Jaguar must have it too. So if TJ knows all of this, why would she now drive 9 hours to Dallas from New Mexico to go lay up with Jaguar? That's a question that I can't figure out. You guys drop it in the comment section. Maybe you got it all figured out. Let's continue.
Get her tussy leg with all the stipulations and messiness that she has said about Kumba. Allegedly, he has herpes. And a woman that says she done prostituted, allegedly. TJ, really? How nasty are you? And your father's car is gone because you didn't take the responsibility to get the name tag changed and the paperwork done, the sticker on the car. That means you were walking before you left Nash. Both of you women are a disgusting entity because at the end of the day, your motherhood is not being served, nor is your independence is being served. You wouldn't be begging for cash outs. You see, there is a reflection on the ability to have the association within society as a black woman. And as you guys stand on here on YouTube looking very clown-like and mindset of a mental patient, sexual abuse, and neglect of your own body and mind, then you wonder why you had cancer.
I think TJ did not admit to having cancer. She admitted to having nodules, but not cancer. And that was the debate because when she was asked the question if she had cancer, she very reluctantly answered. And she said, maybe, maybe not. It was very, very vague. So I don't know if she's in denial or not, but she never admitted it.
See, my granny always told me, if anything rotten, because it is rotten for a reason. Bad things don't happen to godly people. Children are sacrificed, so we will learn from the problem. A lot of children are sacrificed because you put a bowl of cereal in front of them every day. All that pesticide goes into that wheat until that little soul build up a dead immunity. Do you feel my vibe? There are times when you have to wake up, especially TJ, you have saw death during your cancer treatment. Felt it. But let me tell you something. Cancer never goes away. It resides, sits to the side for a minute for remission until it finds another spot to hit your ass with. You see, there are times when you don't play with God. God giving you a second chance to try to get your shit together. And he's the only one can change your situation. Why do you think Jag had you read that Bible with her? Not to save you. Not even to save herself. To maintain her assignment for you. And to keep you stabilized in her control. Narcissists always do that. How you think she born with Jay-Z, Nature Boy, and all these other clowns? All of them are using each other.
Okay, guys, you heard what Dallas spiritual reader had to say. She said a couple of things that a lot of people have been saying, that Jaguar is trying to be the next Nature Boy. And also, TJ is lost. TJ needs to get a rude awakening, I think, and connect with God, because she's got a disease that can surface any day now. And if she keeps messing with Jag, with all this irritation and anxiety and just not knowing if she's going to have a place to sleep from day to day, that's a lot of anxiety. And she can have this disease flare right back all over again because of the stress. It could be stress related that makes that disease flare up again. So she's got to be very, very cognizant of the fact that she's got to take better care of her health. Guys, drop your comments. I'm over and out. Don't forget to hit the like bell, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.